Tired of losing track of client calls in Salesforce? Learn the fastest way to log a call and keep your pipeline accurate. In this guide, I'll show you exactly where to click to log a call in just a few seconds. Let's start. First, open the Opportunities tab. Now, this is important because every call you make should tie back to a specific deal you're working on. You want your pipeline to tell the full story of your engagement with that client. So go ahead and click the Opportunities tab from the navigation bar at the top of your screen. Now, click on the specific opportunity you worked on, the name of the deal. This is where context really matters. By logging the call directly on the opportunity record, you're building a complete history of every touchpoint that led to that sale. That means your manager can see it, your team can see it, and most importantly, you'll have that record when you need to follow up 6 months from now. So find your opportunity and click on the name. All right, here's where the magic happens. Look for the Log a Call button in the Activity section. You'll see it right there on the opportunity record. In my experience, this is one of the most underused features in Salesforce, but it only takes a few seconds. Just one click and you're already halfway there. Now we get into the details. Enter the call subject, description, and duration. The subject should be something clear and searchable, like call with John, contract renewal. The description is where you capture the meat of the conversation. What did they say? What questions came up? And don't forget the duration. Salesforce uses this data to calculate activity metrics and can even help you forecast how much time you need to close deals. So take those extra 10 seconds to be thorough. And here's the really important part. Choose the outcome from the dropdown. Was it a successful conversation? Did you leave a voicemail? Did they need more time to think? Selecting the right outcome updates your pipeline intelligence. It tells Salesforce whether this deal is progressing or stuck. I cannot stress enough how much this matters for accurate forecasting. Optionally, create a follow-up task. Now, this step is optional, but in my experience, it's the difference between a good sales rep and a great one. Click the checkbox to create a follow-up task, set a due date, and assign it to yourself. That way, Salesforce will remind you exactly when to reach back out. No more sticky notes, no more "I'll remember later." It's right there on your task list. Finally, click Save to record the call. And that is it. You have just logged a complete, accurate record of a client interaction in Salesforce. Every detail is now attached to that opportunity, making your pipeline more reliable and your follow-ups more effective. So next time you hang up the phone, take those 30 seconds to log the call. Your future self will thank you, your pipeline will thank you, and honestly, your close rate might just thank you too.